How to fix Bank of America app login issue. If you're having issues logging into your Bank of America mobile banking app, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using Bank of America app on Android, you can long press the Bank of America app icon, tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page, and this setting can be found on any Android device, and if you're using iPhone, you can try to offload the app. Back to the video, once you're here, you want to go to the storage usage and tap on Clear Cache, and you can also select Clear Data, but that will reset the application. So after that, now you can go to your Play Store or your App Store. Then you want to search for the Bank of America application and check if it has an update available. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, chances are that you are entering in incorrect credentials. So make sure to check your user ID and password once again. If you forgot either of those information, you can tap on Forgot User ID/password and you'll also be able to reset it. That is all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.